What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Listen, this is your Friday wrap-up and the first trading week done, complete, finito of the year 2022. Now, listen, I need you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you to come along with us on the journey. Check the description tag. I say again, check the description tab, man. All of our tools and resources are available, and our products and services, man. You want to get into a class or you want some one-on-one mentoring, man, the links are there for you to invest in yourself in 2022. Now, listen, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war. All right, TWR wants to remind the viewer that all content on this channel is for entertainment and education purposes only. You are responsible for every decision you make in the stock market. You need to have fun, but you need to use caution and always, always, always go to war. All right, guys, time is running out. Tomorrow we go live with our Spread the Love class. If you want to learn how to use option spreads for killer profits, this is the class for you. Now, listen, some of you guys hit me up all the time. You're like, I can't make the live session. Well, not an issue, man. TWR has you covered. Every verified paid member that is getting into the class, whether you're there live or not, man, and you register for the Zoom class, you guys get the recorded copy through your email. I say again, you do not have to be present. We got you covered. Now, for $15, you are truly investing in yourself, and it's not even costing you that much. So definitely check the description tag. All of the information is there, and I hope to see everyone tomorrow that can make it. All right, your U.S. markets were down across the board. It was kind of a flat day in the market, actually. We had some pockets of spikes and some pockets of dumps, but definitely didn't move very much on all three of the main indexes. All right, our movers and shakers, man. Ford was popping and locking. Apple was doing this thing. SPY was moving around. And we haven't seen this ticker for a while, but watch this one because it likes to run. And when it runs hard. MRIN. Now, of course, we had some winners and we had some losers. Some of our winners that we saw are in the green and some of our losers are in the red. But I like to focus on the losers because sometimes these things drop 20, 30, 40%, and they offer us a bottom so that we can catch them and bounce violently back to the top and make some money. So we're definitely paying attention to the ones in the red. Sector performance. Now, listen, I like to say that I'm right, but I love it when I'm right, and it's a huge right, okay? I've been telling you guys what three indexes are about to explode. And look down on the 5-day. Energy, financials, industrials, man, just like we've been talking about. Energy, killing it, okay? Energy is queued to be the #1 2022 industry for value stocks, okay? I say again, you need to watch this sector, okay? Financials is the next one. Listen, in energy sector, we're paying attention to MRO and XOM, okay? Financials, we like BAC, JPM, and Wells Fargo, WFC. Pay attention to these industrials. We need to see it pop and lock a little bit, but it's on the move, okay? We'll get some good tickers, and we'll make some killer trades in the industrial side. Here's your futures. Now, futures on a Friday really don't mean much to me, okay? But we use it as a guideline to get strategies and plans in action, all right? So definitely take it for what it is, but don't hold it as gospel because these are bound to change. All right, and now orders filled. Now this, I'm using Fidelity for this demonstration right here, but you can use any big bank and it'd be about the same, okay? We got a lot of money going into Tesla, GME, a lot of money, Techie, about 50-50, Nvidia, a lot of money, so we're watching those chips next week. The Qs, a lot of money, Lucid, actually a lot of money coming out to the sell side. AMC, money in, Apple, money in, Microsoft, money in, which is good. We got a nice call option on that one, and Rivian, money in. So definitely paying attention to a few of these tickers next week. All right, so let's take a look at the alerts, man. Everything in yellow is an action that we sold this week, and everything in white is something that we're still in as a swing trade. So, man, as you see, we had plenty of action that we were making money off of. We had 30 total trades that we actioned and sold, and let's take a look at our profit. Now, isn't that a pretty sight right there, man? Out of 30 trades, only 5 of them were dedicated losers this week, and man, we made a killing. I'm telling you guys, this week was a fire week. I told you we were going to bring the thunder in 2022, and man, that is exactly what we brought with you guys. Over $2,000 in sure profit, and man, we had a great time doing it. And I tell you what, you can only get these type of alerts is if you're on the particular servers that I'm on, man. You guys need to get onto these discords, or you need to put my bot in your server. I'm telling you, it's not just me pumping it up. I want to get you guys these type of alerts all day, every day the market's open, man. We have this down to a science, and we are putting the information out there for everyone to grab on and make this cheddar in 2022. And if you're interested in my bot in your server, hit me up on traderswarroom@gmail.com, and in the description or the subject line, put "I want your bot." And man, I will get back to you, and we will make a deal, and we will make it happen. Just one of the fire trades that we made this week, man. Baba. Listen, over down the left, you saw that consolidation period, and we talked about it the day before. And then in pre-market, we saw the sharp uptick and then the gap up, and boom, it exploded at the bell like we thought it was, and we sold on high and made a killing. Listen, guys, our entry was 29 cents or $29 per contract. We sold for over $1.45. At the peak, it was $1.50 or $150 per contract. That is cheddar cheese money taken to the bank, guys. You can't get any better than that. That was a fire trade. And like I told you, everything was right there for the taking, man. Look at that timestamp. That was yesterday, man. We got in at 29 cents per contract. There was the alert to exit. I told you guys, no runners, full out, $1.50, no greed, killer trade. Man, we took this to the bank, and everyone made cake that was in on this trade. And you only got it right there with Traders War Room. Now, they're not just all winners, man. Disney did not perform the way we wanted to. Look over at the blue rectangle. That is where we got in, okay? Now, it ended up taking this path with the blue extender line. That is not the path that we wanted in order to make the profit that we needed. We had a $165 contract that expired today. We needed it to follow the orange extender trajectory line, and it did not do that, man. So ultimately, this was a failed trade. But you know what? When you got so many winners and all of the winners overshadow the losers, it doesn't really matter as long as your net profit at the end of the week. And I tell you guys that all the time. That's why we diversify, so that our winners clearly outweigh our losers. All right, so some charts that we're looking towards next week. I already told you guys, financial is one of those sectors that I'm really paying attention to in 2022. And we got Bank of America that we're watching next week. Now, we got to put on this trade because we ran a call up earlier in the week. And so we're going to make money with the put because this is a little bit too much too soon. Now, we're at the top. We're at the 100% fib line, okay? Now, what I think is going to happen, I think we're going to get some automatic triggers. We're going to get some profit taking, and it's going to start a cascading effect of downward selling pressure. And I would not be surprised if we don't hit 47.91 area and a little bit below that into the 48s because of those automatic triggers from people taking profits on high. Long term, though, I'm a huge Bank of America fan, but for next week, I'm hoping that we tank a little bit so we can make money off the put, and then we can ride a call all the way up to the moon. Same deal with Wells Fargo, man. Too much, too soon. Hit that 100% fib line. I think we come back down to $53 area, and we're going to make a killing off of our put. Now, I like Bank of America better than Wells Fargo, but Wells Fargo is a good second choice as far as moving into the financial sector. Both of these companies have embraced the fintech. They have set themselves up for success, and they are both primed to do really well inside inflation in 2022. So look for Wells Fargo. I think it comes back. I think we make money off of our put, and then we're going to ride a call back up the same way. Make money going up, make money going down. It's all the same as long as you're green on the other side. Johnson & Johnson, man, it was a fire trade. I told you guys healthcare was going to be popping. Johnson & Johnson did its thing. We popped over that 100% fib line and definitely made a killing off of our call play. Now, we're going to be looking for a put play moving into next week, unless we see something spectacular over the weekend regarding Johnson & Johnson and things of that nature. It's only a matter of time before we start to cool down a little bit, because we got to test those lower levels again to make sure that we're for sure on the uptrend. That is the whole idea behind us, you playing both sides of the playing field, okay? We're not just going to continue to go up straight forever, okay? We got to come back down because we got to test those areas. People are going to profit take. It's going to set up automatic alerts. Johnson & Johnson going in next week, we're looking for continuation, and then we want to hit it on a high and ride it down a little bit for a cool down period. Apple, we got to put on Apple going into next week. I think we go down there and we start testing that 169 area, okay, that 61% fib line. I think we start testing that area and we see if we can hold over there. I believe in Apple long term. I think this is a huge juggernaut company. Everybody has some sort of something Apple inside their house or on them. I believe in this company. However, short term, I think we're due for a cool down period because we had such a run and technology is taking a hit because of supply demand bottlenecks. All right, final chart I want to talk about, MRO. This is the energy play, okay? This is Marathon. I like Marathon moving forward as one of our hot energy plays. Another one I like is XOM, and I like ConocoPhillips as well. But this is our trade for next week that we're going to make some good money. I think we got some more room to go before we hit the cool down period. We haven't quite cracked the 100% fib. I think we hit it. We go up a little bit further before the cool down, and then we're able to sell out and make money on our calls. So MRO bullish moving into next week. We're going to kill this one, make some money, and then hopefully we can ride it down for another play on a put, and then ride this thing back up as energy is going to kill 2022. All right, team, getting to the end of the video, but man, I got some admin notes I got to put out, and I hope you stay tuned and you listen to these because this is going to be very important for business to run smoothly as we're experiencing rapid growth at Traders War Room. First up, business hours, man. Listen, due to rapid growth, because you guys are making us blow up, obviously we're doing something right. You guys like it, you're telling your friends, which is fantastic because we couldn't have dreamt to be as popular as we're becoming in our wildest dreams. But we got to have some business hours. We want to make sure that the products and services you purchase that you get, okay? So between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m., that's when the bulk order of all the processing of that type of administrative data will go out. Now, we'll still do onesies and twosies after hours, but majority of it's going to go between those time frames. So if you don't see it the same day that you get it or that you ordered your service, listen, you will get it. Believe me, within 24 hours, I promise you. Mark my words. Everyone that makes a verified purchase will get their product. I promise you that. The live YouTube that has become very popular is going to be done after market closes this next week, all right? My shift change happened at work, man. I got some soldiers that got to get ready for a mission, so during the daytime, I'm going to be extremely busy. But, man, I haven't forgot about you, and I know you guys like that. So instead of doing a pre-market rapid-fire battle brief, we're going to do an after-market review, okay? We're going to talk about what the stocks did and get a game plan moving into next week or the next day. Finally, the Traders War Room website is live. Now listen, this is a work in progress. I don't know how to build a website, man. I'm doing this as I learn it, okay? So we're building this piece by piece and refining as we go, but it's live, and eventually this is going to become the true one-stop shop for everything that is a product and service related. You want to book a Traders War Room one-on-one mentoring session, you're going to do it there. You want to purchase historical classes, or you want to sign up for the next class that we have, you're going to do it there. You want to buy merchandise, you're going to do it there. You want to see the blogs that our analysts have, it's all going to be there. Listen, this will be the one-stop shop other than our Discord for live alerts out there, and we're pushing this hard, okay? So definitely come check it out. It's going to be rough. We're going to refine it, but if you look at it now and then you see where we're at 3 months from now, you're going to be like, holy crap, these guys are for real. All right, guys, and that's the video, man. Listen, I appreciate you guys. Our rapid growth is because of each one of you. We're doing something right. You guys like it, and you're telling a friend. Man, keep that up, dude. I want to see 2022 explode for everybody. Traders War Room, for me, for you, for everybody out there, man. Everyone that rocks with us eats. Now, remember, we look at the stock market like the war zone. Stocks and sectors are our battle, man. We're doing it together as a team. Attack, conquer, destroy, and we don't take any prisoners. The goal has always been and forever will be to be better prepared today than we were yesterday. Now, if that is something that you can get behind and you want to rock with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war.